Hello, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are back with another market update session. Bitcoin for now is trading around 19,100 while I am recording the video. Today, we're going to analyze Bitcoin, and at the end of this video, I will tell you what am I expecting and what can be the next move. So we are currently on Bitcoin 30-minute time frame. What is happening right here? If we see this move down was nothing else than liquidity grab. What is liquidity? Liquidity is basically where most of the orders lie in market. The orders can be stop orders, they can be buy orders, and they can be sell orders. Okay, so this price dropped till these areas to grab liquidity. Nothing was left downside, as we updated you guys before the Fed news on our Telegram and Twitter. So what is happening right here on 30-minute time frame? We can see we are forming a double bottom pattern. This is basically a bullish pattern, and retailers are considering this pattern to go long on Bitcoin for now, and they might be considering this area of resistance that is basically acting support now. Okay, so what retailers are considering, they are considering this resistance acting support now, and they are seeing this pattern as double bottom pattern, and they want to go long on Bitcoin for now. So what am I expecting? What can be the potential move? We have double bottom pattern, and this is the neckline of this pattern. Let me clear it for you. We are forming a double bottom pattern, and this is the neckline of this pattern. We might see a bounce towards in price till 19,200 or 19,300. While why would be this bounce? This bounce would be to trap more retail traders who want to trade this double bottom pattern. We may see a bounce in price, break the neckline of this pattern. Retail traders would be waiting for a retest of this neckline to go long on Bitcoin more aggressively. But what can we expect? What am I expecting? I am expecting a drop from this area toward these zones and towards this zone, because here lies inefficiencies in the form of SNDs and some imbalances. Okay, based on lower time frames as well. So these two are the zones where liquidity lies. No doubt that most of the orders for us lie at upper zones, but for now I don't want, basically not me but the composite man also don't want the retail traders to take retail traders in profit. Okay, so what can be the move? We might see bounce in price. Why would be the bounce? The bounce would be to trap more retail traders and then drop. By this drop, those retail traders who are long in Bitcoin from these areas, they would be kicked out, and then we can expect a bounce in price from this area, maybe from 18,800 or maybe from 18,500. What would be our targets? Our first target would be 20k, and our next target would be 20,400, and our last target would be 22k. Okay, this would be our swing target. But why would we see this drop? This drop would be to kick out all those retail traders who are long from this area and currently they are bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, so we might see a small bounce in price till 19,200 or maybe 19,300, then a drop in price towards 18,800 and 18,500. These two would be our zones, an opportunity for us to go long on Bitcoin, targeting 20k, 20,400 and 22k. So this is basically our today's market update session. I tried to make it as simple for you guys to understand, because I don't trade indicators and chart patterns. That's why my updates may be confusing for you, but this is the double bottom pattern that I don't expect that it would be played out. Okay, so this was today's market update. Apart from this, if you want to see my VIP Discord, today we traded lots of moves with my VIPs, and all those were short because we knew that theta dominance was bullish. The first trade we traded with my VIPs was comp. We made 25% profit with just 10x leverage on its first target. This was our stock update. We also gave some of good stocks for my VIPs, which they can invest and leave their investment and make profits in long term and mid term. Okay, our next trade was DYDX. This hit its target and gave us 30% profit, just 8x leverage. Our RSR trade that gave us 28% profit with 8x leverage. Apart from this, we traded IDEX in BTC pair, non-leverage trade it was, and this gave us more than 30% non-leverage profit. Okay, so this was our AR trade. It also hit its TPs, and it was also short. Okay, apart from this is my gain section, this is my discussion section, this is announcement, and this is basically the technical analysis course section, which we teach our VIPs as well in our VIP box. Okay, if you also want us on a VIP, you can DM us on Telegram or Twitter. We'll let you know what's the criteria to join us on Discord. So guys, this is today's market update session. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram for free trading signals. Thank you very much.